How can we handle our negative thoughts and not get distracted and disturbed by our negative thoughts? So, we all know that the biggest problem in our life that we have is our thoughts. We are not able to stop our thoughts from disturbing us, whether it's about the world, religion, politics, about our relatives, friends, past, or future. We are always worried. Some thought is always there to disturb us, or whether it is our job, our looks, anything. It can be any thought, or some kind of disease. There is one thought that is worrying all of us, any one of these thoughts. It can be more than one as well for some of us. So, how can we stop these thoughts from troubling us? How can we remain untouched by these thoughts? I'll share 3 ways in which you can nicely handle these negative thoughts. So, the first thing that you can do to handle your negative thoughts is to be aware. So, if you are thinking anything negative, immediately catch yourself red handed, thinking something negative, criticizing anyone, laughing on someone, whatever. So, immediately like understand that yes, you were negative, you were laughing on someone, you were making fun of someone, or you were criticizing your own self, your own life. Immediately realize it and stop it. Yes, I did it. Don't enjoy it like a candy. Wow, it's so much fun, it makes me feel so accomplished. No, even an iota of negative thought about anything in the world, just recognize it and stop it there and then. So, to do this, you have to be aware all the time. And then the second way is this: suppose some thought is coming from somewhere, then let this thought come and treat this just like an online ad. When you see an online ad, you don't click on every ad you see. And even if you accidentally click on any ad, you're not going to buy anything from there, right? Similarly, let these thoughts come and go. You don't need to be affected by them. You don't need to entertain them. Your mind is not a party hall that every thought will come and have a party in your mind. No. Don't allow these thoughts to party at your expense. Let them come and let them go. You don't have to entertain them. You don't have to start a conversation on a particular. Yes, lot of people are falling sick. What if it happens to me? No, you don't need to think that ways. So don't click on every thought that you get. So don't be tempted to click on these thoughts the moment they come to you. They are coming, let them come, let them go. You don't need to think about it. So this is the second way. And the third way is this: that suppose if there is a thought of illness that is coming to you, some kind of disease, and you're feeling scared. So instead of ignoring it, if you are feeling scared and if you're not able to handle it, immediately say something equally positive about it. I'm very happy, I'm very healthy. Immediately say something very positive about it. Gradually, this thought will understand that you are not going to entertain it. So they are going to vanish. But you have to say this with full conviction.